In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use guides and rulers in Google Slides. Whether you're preparing a snappy business presentation or crafting a creative slideshow, knowing how to effectively use these tools can help you achieve a polished and professional look. First things first, head over to Google Slides. Google Slides is part of Google's Office suite and can be accessed right from your web browser. Simply go to the Google Slides website by typing it in the search bar or entering the direct URL. Next, sign into your Google account. This step is essential because it allows you to create and edit presentations while ensuring your work is saved automatically and accessible from any device. If you're already signed in, you can skip this step. If not, just enter your email and password. Once you're on the Google Slides homepage, you'll see options to start a new presentation. You can either click on blank presentation to start from scratch or choose a template that suits your needs. Templates are a great way to get a professionally designed layout without much effort. With your presentation open, it's time to enable guides and rulers. These tools help you align your elements more accurately on the slides. Begin by going to the menu at the top of your screen and clicking on View. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. Navigate to Guides and from the expanded menu, choose Show Guides. Guides are lines that appear on your slides, aiding you in aligning text boxes, images, shapes, and more with precision. You can move them around by clicking and dragging to fit your design needs. After setting your guides, it's also useful to have the ruler visible. Head back to View in the top menu and click on Show Ruler. The ruler appears at the top and along the left side of your slide canvas, providing a measurement framework for your layout. It's especially handy when you want your elements to be perfectly sized and aligned according to specific measurements. With guides and rulers up and running, you now have more control over the layout and look of your presentation. Navigate around your slides, adjust your elements, and experiment with alignment. These tools enhance your design capabilities, allowing you to achieve a clean, professional appearance. That's it. You've learned how to use guides and rulers in Google Slides. These features might seem straightforward, but they can truly make a difference in how your presentation is perceived. Go ahead, explore and refine your slides with these helpful tools, making sure they look just the way you envisioned. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.